Travel 101 experience. Before we get started, we would love to know where you're watching from. Let us know in the comments below. Recently on a trip to Rome, we decided to stay at an Airbnb in the heart of Rome, Monte. We chose this Airbnb for a few reasons. One being its proximity to major sites such as the Colosseum and Trevi Fountain. We were given a digital code to open the large front door before heading to the top floor. We were happy that this apartment had a lift. This was a 2-bedroom apartment. The main bedroom was very spacious and had everything we needed, including an AC and heater, plus there was a large bed. Just past the living room was the kitchen. The kitchen was fully set up with a fridge, stove, dishwasher, washing machine and coffee station. There was also a second bedroom which also looked comfortable and had an AC and a heater. Just situated off this room was a bathroom. But the main reason we booked this Airbnb was for the wraparound balcony. We could see the Colosseum in the distance. Both bedrooms had access to the balcony as well. We found it a great size for 2 couples travelling together, and both rooms felt very equal. We really enjoyed our stay here for the convenience and also the facilities nearby, such as the supermarket, restaurants at our doorstep. I will link this Airbnb in the description below. We hope you enjoyed watching our stay here. Don't forget to subscribe to stay up to date with all our Travel 101 experiences. Thank you so much for watching, and we really look forward to seeing you in our next video.